Okay, does anyone here have conspiracy theory family? Yeah, okay, we've all also been watching Netflix. What's your favorite conspiracy theory? If you say vaccines, I'm gonna murder you. What's your favorite conspiracy theory? Lizard people! Lizard people! We love it. Have you met one? But they exist. Absolutely. What's your next one?
The birds work for the bourgeoisie. Justin Trudeau.
Oh my god. Canceled. Wait, what was that?
The birds work for the bourgeoisie.
The birds work for the bourgeoisie? We'll get back to that. What's your next one? Come on.
Ancient aliens.
Ancient aliens? Egypt aliens? We love it. So ancient. What else?
Pandas.
What?
Do it. They're
Men?
Look it up.
They're not real.
Men aren't real? I believe it. Okay, let's get back to yours. What was it? The birds work for the bourgeoisie. We love it. Okay, cool. Hit it. You thought this was a man's world? Think again, buddy. Look at who really decided the election. Look up in the sky at birds. Birds can fly. I wish I could fly. Birds have bones. I wish I had bones. Birds are cool. I wish I was cool. Cool like a bird. Birds like shiny things, just like Paris Hilton. Birds want to make a corporation and they DJ on the side. What? Birds won't have babies until they're billionaires. But being a billionaire won't make them happy, just like Paris Hilton. Birds have bones. I wish I had bones. Birds are drones. Birds that can fly. Birds are clones. They're all clones. Birds all look alike. Look at these tiny organs. Go like this. Feet. Are they even feet if they have claws? Their feet all wet like frogs who live in water. Oh, birds really fish. Wait, are birds really fish? Someone just said eat birds. Birds are high. I wish I was high. Birds are low. I wish I was low. Birds have friends. I wish I had friends. Have friends like a bird. Birds are really great singers. Adele is jealous of them. In 2012, the birds won a Grammy, but Adele stole it from them.